So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use git push force command in order to force push your local changes to the remote repository. So in my remote, I have created a test repo and there are two commits. One is initial commit and the other one which I've created to commit message 1. So you can just create something similar. So right now, I'm going to clone it to my local. I'm going to type git clone, change the directory to test. So if you do git log, right now, there are two commits. So let's say right now, I want to add something to this commit and I'm going to modify the file. So I'm going to add some text 11 and then I'm going to do git commit negative amend and then I'm going to leave the commit message. I'm not going to touch it. If you do git log, you can see that the commit ID is changed already compared to the remote. The remote one is E9 and this one start with D3. Okay, so if right now, if I do a git push origin, so git does not allow us to push because the commit ID in your local different than the commit ID in the remote. So what you can do is that you can use this git push force with lease command. So this allows you to force push your changes to the remote. And notice that if you push using this command, if you do git log, you can see this is the commit ID D3 and then the commit ID of the remote is going to change from E9 right now. You can see it goes and change to become D3. Alright, so this is how the git push force works. So let's say right now, someone has added something into the remote repository. Okay, I'm going to edit this file and let's say I'm going to edit it as first. Alright, so you can see that someone has added a file, update the test.txt file, and right now, if you do git log, if you do a git, let's say right now you want to push the file, if you have made some changes, let us just change the commit ID. If you do git log, just now the commit ID is D3, right now the commit ID is changed already because you do a git commit negative amend. So if you want to use this one to force push your changes to the remote, git will not allow you to push. So let us try. So it says that fail to push to the remote because someone has added extra commit on top of the original commit. Okay, that's why git does not allow you to push that. So this is the advantage of using git push force with extra option with lease. It will not allow you to push if there's an extra commit in the remote repository. So if your colleagues has added something in the remote repository, has pushed something, and you're not able to overwrite their changes. Okay, so let's say if you want to play around with it, you can use this git push negative force command. So if you use this command, if you overwrite whatever changes which is on top of this one original commit, okay, and if you replace this original commit 1 with your commit. So this command, if you do a refresh right now, you can see right now, just now the commit which is on top of this one is being discarded, and then the commit ID is also changed, and the commit ID is changed back according to your local commit. So if you use this git push force command, it will override whatever changes which is on top of this one. And I'm going to show you some more example. Let us create some more commit on top of this test.txt. So I'm going to put 2. Okay. So right now there are 3 commits in your remote, and if you do git log, so right now I'm going to do a reset hard back to the initial commit. So right now my head is pointing towards this initial commit. If I do this git push force command, if you overwrite these 2 commit on top of this initial commit, you erase everything on top of this initial commit. You do a refresh, so you can see the extra 2 commit is gone. Okay, so this is how the git push force and git push force with lease works.